Okay, FM 101.7.
Alhaji Baba Jamal, former Deputy General Secretary, Emma NDC Amanyukuno, were Deputy Director, Legal Affairs of the NDC, and also Ewaha. Na yenene ntwetwe enkomo. Alhaji, assalamu alaikum.
Barakatu.
Alhaji na bokoriye.
Obadi adum kwame ya sorry idia boko.
Alhaji wadi ye frɛ wa no payi a. Ye ni wa uni akoko anyidoho adidi nkomo sesi a. Na wo se ade ba ko a ɛsɛsɛ mo ye pa sa amanyuko ni sɛ yewura ovusu ampofo. Wono a wantunu ho ade so a mo akra mo nsake no. He is not ready to lead the party. Na is born out of the fact say and sama Sami Jamfi, one quite of friend Aquaday, Aquaka, Edietia, Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Alban Sumanas Kingsford Babin. Now can be a tia and this Nasabeja phone, and ye be as a woman so cry, and the old ranka. Oh, one no quaquanido, any other Jacobs, and now watch Chiapia, and what yes, so was it Papano must leave the party as chairman of the party. What is he saying?
Kwame Medikai. I'm chief for na memo bi who say party na you know your constitutional yedi ejima. Sa constitutional yedi ejima no so. Constitutional yina ya dia tumo. Obi bia o so ye NDC in India no. Or say or respect that constitution. Very clear say so be a bibi nasa enya chairman and a chinaso committee.
Okay.
Enya chairman the national executive member oye bonia na oye bibi enya chairman na chinaso FEC and a functional executive committee. And a better no more who said near Wayeno. Say a near near refer no ama disciplinary committee. Inti say okase chairman no adiata made them no. Inti chairman no yen sign ya. Na me fo say ono minim say why deputy general secretary. Onim say nene kwanso no. That is the first point. The second point is say, near Sami Dempier, no, it's not as if say it's a National Executive Committee almost near you. National Executive Committee have met on it, me as a person who am account. Near Sami Dempier, no, my man can't say, a rank and file no be draining the yard. Committee me next meeting feature no bebre ran kan fa no bebre ni o me ya adwen do no pass because a amount for aboso asem e no no e di akokuduro abekasa ho e bia ni ameka ne se wo trap kakra eno de e no kre me susie mu de me fo se or trap kakra nanso eye dudo na adwen e no bekan because in the see parliament down no kwame ya ebu nipa bem ama ye rank and file no ebu bebre abem kwame me no kaza tete no wo mu ina ehwe nim say wo say national executive take some positions bia ebema we are restore that confidence in the party. In this medium first down over kind of kwame mean necessary the radio to America. Obi o ye NDC near wire research on himself to do na again. But I see so the sign cases there or trap kakra. And no me imagine them so trap kakra. And so kase chairman emra metwina so and a chairman resign there na enye say be no okanadwen but enye NDC constitution no and want them no can. Because the constitution must be respected. The constitution no swaka. Sanka ebayi ni ehu say bia 1 or 2 people or no say yeah baba suspended no. Who say it took a long time to suspend him until say we received official complaint. Based on the official complaints, no, and a fake meeting here. Come and say me no cry a kasa wa hoda.
And I say a kaya junipa koku de na mfumso be na waye.
Okay, complaints are you receive we and say wakika nsem bia a good party no in fact is based on party discipline. You receive I say document on by social media mamukai. Obi anka say odi hu force say. But I can say we have received a complaint. It took a long time. In fact, it took more than even 6 months to take a decision on to see those official reports, no, an official petition, no. We didn't take a decision until say that official will buy let me take that decision. Everybody deserves to be treated right. So no, we took him through the process. No fake. And he take a decision. Even though Matisa also Nzanka documents. Officially in India, as far as I am concerned, Fed took that decision. A letter has been written. So recently that is a different thing. But the Fed took a decision there. Or no, he has been suspended. It went through the process because in transit. Kwame Nase be a lawyer Nkwanti. We have suffered for this party, and Obitiso Kogu Anido. We know the role he has also played in terms of worshipping this party. So what matter? But it do be nice and never being concerned here. We need to be fair to be people. I will not be part of people because the Kogu Anido will be treated unfairly. No, the same way. So I won't sit down and say, "Yeah, Sami Dempi, somebody will be hanged." Without taking Yamfano Emfa Emrakwanso. So Emrakwanso is very clear. Say Obi ABB, Nase a net chairman, so the Nenisi chairman Zoa, not YM from Zoa. Because chairman on his own cannot punish anybody in this body. Only that to me. It is fake and it takes a decision. The fake take a decision now, then it is implemented by the office.
Mami hwade we ono no e kan ye ne nkomodie no say chairman ne hwe ne ono na sam baaye no na odi animu pa you should slay him mu twena boso mu kuno ne ade it was say sa modern na odi ko e ne nwanwa say on fama samija fish isu.
Okay, Kwame me there I'm not aware of any position so aggressive from the chairman. I'm not. Before then, Nancy or granting interview no encourage Yeran Kamfan say Koku and Nidohuni allocated of the party has suspended them into Mobia for Omadri and Kusiomoso. I think that is the only statement. Once they are suspended, the party should not take any. But rank and file no more. They shouldn't pay too much attention to them. I think that one I heard him say. But because they call meeting when you come to Veka, but the fact yeah almost 30. And you were chairman, you were vice chairman. In fact, me and son, you were general secretary. You were 2 deputy general secretaries. You were national organizer. You were 2 national deputy organizers. So, in that trend, you were communication officer, 2 deputy communication officers. You were a youth organizer, a women organizer. And then we have members that have been co-opted, directors into the FEC. Like me, I am a member of FEC, but I beg to say I was co-opted into the national executive. So, what am I saying? So, you have that group which forms almost 30 or more. In the public quadrant, and a year Juma fake. A year, you cry, you bobo. At the end of the day, A lot of consultation is done, even with a council of elders. Pinfom that party. It be I like the Mama Idrisu, Dr. Bela Samoa, and so before a decision is taken in the party, now it has gone through a full process. And the more being an agency, unipa bakupe di nenisi nipa so obetima ebibi. No. Which nipa to say them cry before they can never go through the process, the full cycle. So it will be very unfortunate, say, or be single out chairman, say, chairman, we don't know what traffic that, at least for 4 years, what traffic only me a cause of effect. So, on any chairman, I think there, I don't know, will not be a fair position. But what is important to say, the decision once taken, it has been discussed at various levels. The same way near parliamentarians and also which in my view was very disappointing, and also it's being discussed at various courtesans and at various levels. At the appropriate time, the party will come out with their position on it. But Kwame, Moja neba. And the next time you take a decision. No. Where's our best partner? And there's other way Kazani, if you wake Kazani, no. But I want to believe that the rank and file, even though they be near Sami Jemfikano, I may not be 100% in consonance with him and in agreement with him. No. But I can assure you, say, majority of our rank and file are happy with that statement. And so, who deal with it, you need to be careful how you go about it.
Okay, FM 101.7.